Nestled an hour and a half northwest of Melbourne, in the heart of Trentham's rolling farmland, stands Winter Creek House, a testament to thoughtful design and seamless integration with nature. Once a landscape dedicated to potato cultivation, this expansive property has been transformed into a thriving truffle and South Devon cattle stud farm. It was within this rich context that SOS Architects, drawing on modernist principles, meticulously envisioned a single-story contemporary home that wouldn't dominate, but rather harmonize with the site. Their approach was one of deep consideration, ensuring every angle and placement of the house not only complemented the incredible surroundings but also responded to its unique character. The result is a sleek, modern residence that truly breathes with the land, a nuanced response to the very essence of the expansive farm. The architectural form of Winter Creek House is a study in purposeful division and transparency. It comprises two distinct volumes, a floating roof that extends outwards, embracing the landscape and encompassing the main, expansive living zones, and a more private, introspective flat box section housing the bedrooms and bathrooms. This duality creates a sense of both openness and sanctuary. A defining characteristic of the design is its remarkable transparency. At numerous points throughout the house, one can see straight through to the other side, forging an uninterrupted visual connection between the interior and the breathtaking natural world beyond. This deliberate design choice further blurs the lines between built environment and natural landscape, inviting the outside in and grounding the dwelling firmly within its place. The collaborative spirit between SOS Architects and Studio Tom extended seamlessly into the interior design, resulting in a home that feels utterly cohesive and an extension of its surroundings. Studio Tom's approach was deliberately subdued, focusing on a palette dominated by charcoal, neutral, and gray tones, complemented by minimalist and refined furnishings. These choices were not arbitrary. They were a conscious effort to echo the often misty, gray, and wintry scenes typical of the landscape just beyond the walls. The versatility of the materials used, from joinery to wall paneling and door skins, further contributed to this seamlessness. The matte finish of these surfaces subtly plays with the light, creating a palpable mood that deepens the sense of harmony. It is a poetic response to the vernacular of the Wombat State Forest's outskirts, where Winter Creek House gracefully resides, embodying a tranquil and awe-inspiring coexistence with nature.